Now, crisis hit Byju's has suffered a brutal drop in its valuation, eroding from $22 billion to just under $3 billion in less than 2 years' time. Even the key investor, Prosus, marks down its exposure to the edtech firm for the second time in just 2 years. Arundhati Ramanan now joins us. Arundhati, take us through this valuation journey of Byju's, which was once the most valued startup in the country.
Well, yes, Ashmit, it was once India's most valuable startup, hit by one crisis after another in the last 2 years. Byju's has seen a dramatic drop to its valuation. One of the edtech company's early investors, Prosus, has scaled down the valuation below $3 billion. In fact, Prosus, which owns about 9% stake in Byju's, has been consistently adjusting the worth of its holdings for over a year now. Now, in 2022, Prosus pegged the valuation of Byju's at $22 billion, but this was slashed to just over $5 billion in May 2023. Now, the valuation has been slashed even further to just under $3 billion. That's an 86% decline in valuation in less than just 24 months. It's not just Prosus, though. In May this year, BlackRock reduced the beleaguered firm's fair value twice by as much as 62%. US-based Baron Capital also slashed Byju's valuation by almost half. Peak 15 had also said that it would significantly mark down Byju's valuation without revealing any of the details. Now, what were the reasons for these markdowns? Well, there are a few. Slowdown in business, resignation of auditors, legal troubles, regulatory challenges, and the resignation of board members, including the representatives of Prosus, Peak 15, and the Chan-Zuckerberg initiatives. Now, at its peak in 2021, amid talks of an IPO, investment backers had given the edtech giant a proposed valuation in the range of $40 to $45 billion. Some firms, like Morgan Stanley, had even pitched a $50 billion valuation. Over the years, Byju's has raised a total of $5 billion in a mix of both equity and debt. The company's legal troubles are far from over, though. The BCCI is now taking Byju's to court over sponsorship fees. With that, it is back to you.
Right, Arundhati, thanks a lot for that.